ourselves to London, England, the United Kingdom, and bring your favorite All-Star Sunday afternoon party. This is Asa Lightning live in London! We are so happy to be here. Sigurado lahat kayo nag-enjoy because we're gonna give you an amazing show. Are you ready? How are you feeling?
Ako isa lang masasabi ko, Mark. Talagang excited na kami dahil nandito kami kasama ninyong lahat. And I have to say this, kayo, yung mga sobrang hard workers na kababayan, I guess I speak on behalf of your families when I say this, na-miss namin kayo. At dahil dito, alam namin that you guys deserve the most fun, the most entertaining show, at maliban doon, meron pang ibang mga world-class performances from your favorite music to your most sought-after kapamilya idols. Andito silang lahat ngayon para lang sa inyo.
Totoo yan, Barry! Today is a celebration of music and Pinoy talent. Magsasaya tayo dahil muli ay nagsama-sama tayong lahat, mga kapamilya, dito sa Europe. Talaga, salamat sa pagsama sa amin dito sa London as we celebrate the year-long 20th anniversary ng paborito ninyo, ang ating Sunday afternoon party. Asa?
Ikaw. Yes, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa 2 dekadang magsuporta at pagmamahal niyo sa amin dito sa ASAP. At para mag-celebrate din sa amin, of course, in this remarkable milestone, na ito ang mga pinakamamahal naming members ng Execom ng ABS-CBN. Please give them a big hand. Starting off, of course, with our ABS-CBN Chairman, Mr. Gabby Lopez. Our Chief Operating Officer of ABS-CBN Global, Mr. Rafi Lopez. Our Chief Operating Officer of ABS-CBN Corporation, Mr. Carlo Katipa.